Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest potato recipes you've ever seen almost in your entire life. So this is some homemade ranch dry dressing that we made, and it'll be in one video back, so you can go to my page and scroll. I have 1 stick of salted butter. You can use salted or unsalted. Now whenever I make my spice blends, I don't add salt or pepper to them when I make them because I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. But I'm going to make some ranch potatoes, and these I'm going to cook in the oven, and they're very versatile. So this recipe makes about 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to pour this all in my melted butter and give this a stir around and let it sit here and do its thing while we're talking. Now I've got 2 white potatoes. Mother always called them Irish potatoes. So I've cut up one of them and then half of another one, and I washed them and scrubbed them real well, and I cut out any bad spots. And you just want to slice these into serving size pieces, whatever size that is to you. You could do this in wedges. You could do this in any kind of size that you wanted to do. And it's really good when you use red potatoes too. And I always leave the peelings on whenever possible because there's just a whole lot of nutrients and everything in this. So let's just give our butter concoction here a little taste and check it for the salt level and see what we think. Yes, more salt. Potatoes, love them some salt. So I'm going to add about maybe a half a teaspoon or so of this Redmond's real salt. It still has all the vitamins and nutrients and all that whatnot in it. And I'm just going to add some pepper to taste. So there we go. All right, now I'm just going to pour this all over my potatoes. You can cook this on top of the stove like you would fried potatoes. You can cook this in your oven, which is what we're going to do today. You can cook it on your charcoal grill, your gas grill, your smoker, just anything. If you put it in the oven, you're just really going to free up some space on the cooktop. So you just want to give this a toss around. Now it will vary whenever you put them in the oven. Just, keep up with your time, y'all. I'm going to check these in about 30 minutes and see if they're fork tender, because that's what we're looking for. Yours will take a different amount because your sizes may not be the same size as mine, and every oven is different. So let's get those all smashed down in a flat little layer. All right, we'll put these in the oven, and I'll see you when they come out. They're going to be delicious, y'all. See you a little bit, back in a little bit. Well, these were in the oven about 50 minutes. And check on them, use a fork or a knife and just see if they are tender. And when they're tender, they're ready. And they'll hold good. So if you're not ready for them yet, you can just turn your oven down on low or off. Let it just ride. It'll be ready when you are ready for it. Let's see how we did. They're so hot. Y'all. That is creamy, warm, the butter and the ranch dressing. There is nothing not to love about this right here. I'm telling you one thing, I am. Okay, I'm going to fix us a plate, and I'll see y'all next time. Y'all go do something fun. Bye, y'all.